If you love a chocolate cheesecake, then you will for sure be coming back for this no-bake Nutella pie. It's going to be great for any occasion really, and full recipe is linked below. Let's get baking. We're going to start working on the crust by first crushing up those graham crackers until they're broken down completely. Then you can melt up your butter and add it to a bowl with the crust, crackers, and mix it all well. If there are any bigger pieces, just crush them up again and you should be good to go. This crust, once combined with the butter, should be crumbly and should be able to clump together, just to give you a good idea if the amount of butter is good. In case it doesn't clump together and it falls, add more butter. Now spread that evenly over a 9 or 10 inch pie dish, and I'm just going to use a measuring cup to kind of pat it out into a packed tight crust. You can use your hands as well and create a bit of a lip on the edges of the pie dish. Now add this to the freezer to allow it to set while you prepare the filling. Now I'm using my homemade Nutella for this, but you can grab your favorite kind of chocolate hazelnut spread really. Add it all to a large bowl and then start adding in your cream cheese. You can see I'm just adding like small portions of it rather than a big clump of it, just to make it easier to stir it. And I did think it would be easy to stir it with a whisk and a bowl, but to really get that fluffy texture, I had to transfer it to a stand mixer to really get that finish. The end goal of this should be a soft and fluffy consistency that forms soft peaks just like this. Then pour this Nutella chocolatey mixture to the pie dish right over the crust and spread that out evenly and just let this set in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours. Then to finish this up, you can either use homemade whipped cream or grab a ready-made whipped cream in a bottle just like this and add that all over that pie. And that just looks incredible. Cut that up into slices and just enjoy it. Have some fun with it and share this video with somebody who is long overdue to enjoying something indulgent just like this. And if you love this, you're gonna love the no-bake Oreo pie. Check that out and I'll see you again.